Hi guys, welcome to the video. We're doing today is we're testing out Mike's new phone to see how it actually videos, because he's not too impressed with it at the minute. So I said I will come out, I'll do some videos, different settings, and see what happens. We've got Cafe Toulouse meals, chicken burger, chicken crisp burger even, chips and salad, €7. Sounds delicious. It has of course been Benidorm Pride this week. There's been lots of things going on around town. Was of course the parade last week. Yesterday, sorry, even the parade. Bar there. Now, one of the problems Mike has said he's having with this is the focusing, which, right, Homer Simpson there, never noticed that before. It's a bit of artwork. What he's saying is that when he's moving from one thing to something else, it's taking its time to focus. So we're going to see how we do go, guys. As I said, I will try a few various different videos and then see what they come out like. Whether they're any good or whether the phone does need to be returned. Some kind of a museum there. And we've got little precinct here. We don't really come into here much. Not really sure what's in here. Some shops. Clothing shops. Not sure how they're coming out with the sun on them. Kids' clothing, women's clothing, sort of thing. All there. Not hard to do that job, you just have to be a bit of a dummy. Sorry about my joke, some little Pidgey Pidge. Another Pidgey Pidge. Hi Pidge. Don't film me, he says. A little bar restaurant there, Old Jardin. This poor guy stood here. Quite often gets forgotten about. It's getting a little bit overgrown now. I think some of that there by his sword could be cleared. Another little clothes shop there. Gambrinas. Quite a few people actually down in town. Surprised, thought it might be a bit quiet today. Fairly busy.
No habéis hecho nada, vale, pero me ha dicho ya de ir.
So far, the phone seems to be doing alright, but until we get back, I can't really say. A few people down there in the bars. People out and about, enjoying the day. People enjoying the bars. So hopefully now, if this is going to play up, we might catch it a little bit now with moving from one. This is a very popular place. Always lots of people queuing there. I believe they specialise in seafood. Always big queues there to get in, so the food must be good, guys. So far we're doing alright, one-handed driving. So guys, I think we're going to end the video here. Thanks for watching. Please hit the like and subscribe and share, and we'll see you on the next one.